Being charged with a DUI in New Jersey can feel overwhelming, but knowing what to expect and what to do next can make all the difference. In this video, we're breaking down New Jersey DUI laws in plain language, with practical advice from the law office of Stephen Ellman. In New Jersey, driving under the influence, also called DWI, means operating a vehicle with a blood alcohol concentration, or BAC, of 0.08% or higher. But here's the thing, even if your BAC is lower, you can still be charged if you show signs of impairment. For commercial drivers, the limit drops to 0.04%. And for anyone under 21, New Jersey has a strict zero-tolerance policy. Just 0.01% can land you in legal trouble. Even though DUI is considered a traffic offense here, not a criminal one, the penalties are serious. We're talking fines, license suspension, alcohol education programs, and even jail time. Most DUI cases start with a traffic stop, maybe for speeding, swerving, or another violation. If the officer suspects alcohol use, you'll likely be asked to do field sobriety tests and possibly a roadside breath test. If they believe you're impaired, they'll arrest you and take you to the station for a formal breath or blood test. And if you refuse, that's a whole separate offense under New Jersey's implied consent law, with penalties like license suspension and mandatory ignition interlock. From there, you'll receive a court date, attend an arraignment, and possibly go to trial before a municipal judge. If convicted, the sentence depends on your BAC, prior offenses, and other factors. Let's talk penalties. For a first offense with a BAC between 0.08 and 0.10%, expect fines, possible jail time, and an ignition interlock device for months. If your BAC is 0.10% or higher, those penalties increase. More fines, longer license suspension, and up to 15 months with that interlock device. A second DUI brings a 2-year suspension, mandatory jail, and community service. A third offense? That's 180 days in jail and an 8-year license suspension. Refusing a breathalyzer also brings steep consequences, even on a first offense. Here's the good news. You do have rights, and you may have a strong legal defense. Was the traffic stop valid? Was the breath test administered correctly? Do you have medical conditions that could have influenced your test results? A skilled DUI attorney can explore every angle. The law office of Stephen Ellman has decades of experience handling DUI cases in New Jersey. Stephen knows how local courts operate and how to challenge weak or faulty evidence. If you get pulled over, stay calm. Provide your license, registration, and proof of insurance. Don't admit to drinking, and don't volunteer extra information. While you can refuse field sobriety tests, it may still result in arrest, and refusing a breath test can lead to extra penalties, so think carefully. If you're arrested, don't argue, don't explain, just ask to speak to an attorney. Then, contact the law office of Stephen Ellman right away, so your defense can begin immediately. When your future is on the line, you need legal guidance you can trust. Call the law office of Stephen Ellman today to get expert support for your DUI case in New Jersey. With nearly 40 years of experience, Stephen is ready to fight for the best possible outcome for you.